Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to give you tips for you who often forget where you place your phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to install Antilost application on your Android phone or iOS. And here I'm Android user, so I'm going to open my Play Store. This application is available on both of Play Store and Apple Store. If you are iOS user, you can go to Apple Store and then we have to search for the Anti-Lost application. Anti-Lost Club. Okay, and you have to install this application, guys. Just tap on install and you need to wait until this application installed on your phone. Okay, and now the application has been installed on my Android phone and I'm going to open this application. Alright guys, and this is how the application looks like. And if you want to easily find your phone, you just need to tap on this activate button. And then I'm going to allow the audio. Okay, and you can read the instruction right here. Please lock the phone without closing the app. And when you lose your phone, you just need to clap and then your phone will sound and you will be able to find your phone. Alright guys, and that's all the tips for you who often forget where you locate your phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.